name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Now, quick disclaimer before I even start this video, I do have a helper today. Let me show you. Ace. Ace. Can you say hi to everybody? Can you tell everybody you're helping Mama record? Ace, can you say hi? You can't, he's too busy. So, yeah, Ace hangs out in my office during the day while I am at work, and he comes in here if nobody's home. So basically to him, my office is his room too. And when he saw me come in here, he just sat outside the door and whined, so I had to let him in. So if you can hear him crunching on his toy, please try to ignore it. I apologize, but as long as he stays over there and isn't jumping up in the camera like I know he's done before, I'm going to let him stay in here. Today we are here to celebrate day 23 of Vlogtober. So, yay for day 23 and yay for day 1 of our new weekly challenge. I am really excited about this one, and I know I've said that about every single one, but it's true. I'm a very excitable person. Yeah, so there is that. But anyways, for those of you that missed yesterday's video, this week's challenge is to take steps to develop a good bedtime or sleeping routine, or establish good bedtime habits. Which, guys, I mean, everybody knows sleeping is so important for our health, for our mental well-being, for everything. I'm willing to bet that most of us don't get enough sleep, and most of us probably wish we could get more sleep. So that being said, let's go ahead and dive in, and I would like to share the first tip that I found. Sorry for the glare. Just stop right there. I have my laptop here, so when you see me looking down, as always, that's what I'm doing. Or I might be checking out Ace to make sure he's not getting ready to come over here and rearrange all of our camera equipment for us. He's pretty content with that toy. He's had that toy for years. And every time I say toy, he turns farther and farther away. I think he thinks I'm going to take it away from him. Sorry, squirrel. So, anyways, I am on a website called Sleep Foundation, a OneCare media company. I will link it down below so that you guys can go check it out. And the name of this article is called Bedtime Routines for Adults. And it has several different tips to create a healthy bedtime routine. I'm just going to start with the top one, and we will work our way down each way as we discuss ways to build a healthy bedtime routine. So, step number 1, and it seems like common sense, but guys, let's think for a second. What is a routine? A routine is when we do something the same way or at the same time of day each day. It is something set, steady, we can count on it, we can rely on it, and it's just the way things are. So, I feel like step number 1, at least for this article, makes perfect sense. And step number 1, according to this site, is to establish a bedtime. Let me know down in the comments what time you guys are thinking about for yourselves, because this is clearly open for discussion. It's new territory for me, because I'm really excited to find out. So let's read about why that is step number 1. It says, as part of your natural sleep-wake cycle, your brain starts winding down for sleep a few hours before bedtime. You can use your bedtime routine to make that process more effective. First, decide on your bed and wake-up times and stick to them every day. Following a consistent sleep routine helps train your brain to naturally feel tired when it's bedtime. And then it says, once you've established your bedtime, you need to schedule a time to begin your bedtime routine every night, anywhere between 30 to 2 hours before bed. Set an alarm if you need to. Okay, so maybe for me then, most feasible bedtime for me would be 10 o'clock at night. So that means I'm going to start my bedtime routine between 9 and 9:30. Well, that's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, seriously. So, establish a goal bedtime. I mean, we know on this weight loss and this wellness journey that, guys, that things are not always going to go as planned. So, I have a feeling this is going to be one of those situations where we need to learn how to handle things when we get off track or off of our routine so that we can still get a good night's rest. I hope that in reviewing this website, we will find solutions on how to deal with that, but I'm jumping ahead of myself. Sorry. A bedtime, and then we start our bedtime routine. Hi, Ace. And then we start our bedtime routine. It said 30 minutes to 2 hours before. So that's our tip number 1. I wanted to read the beginning of this article because it looked interesting to me. It has 2 questions. The first one being, what is a bedtime routine? That'd be something neat to think about. It says a bedtime routine is a set of activities you perform in the same order every night in the 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. But part down below just said 2 hours. But anyways, we're rolling with it. Bedtime routines can vary, but often include calming activities like taking a warm bath, reading, journaling, or meditation. So that's definitely something for us to be thinking about as we delve into figuring out what our bedtime routine is going to be. And then the next question it has is, why are bedtime routines important? It says, humans are creatures of habit. Like any other routine, bedtime routines establish habits that help our brains recognize when it's time to sleep. By performing the same activities in the same order every night, your brain comes to see these activities as precursors to sleep. I think my brain thinks anytime I sit down for more than 5 minutes, that means it's bedtime. I'm just keeping it real. I'm one of those people, like, seriously, if I'm sitting down or if I'm even laying down for anything past 5 to 10 minutes and just relaxing, I pass out. I've even slept through MRIs before because I was laying down for like 20 minutes and I just slept right through it. Yeah. So I think this bedtime routine thing might help me a little bit. All right. Bedtime routines also play an important role in reducing late night stress and anxiety. Huzzah. I will take that. The kind of worrisome thoughts that keep you up at night, anxious thoughts, and rumination activate your mind and sympathetic nervous system. Left unchecked, these thoughts can intensify and develop into insomnia. By following a bedtime routine, you can keep your mind focused on the task and encourage yourself to relax instead. Sold. Where do I sign? The importance of bedtime routine stems back as far as childhood. All on its own, a consistent bedtime routine has shown to relieve cranky infants and their parents. Well, yeah. Helping children fall asleep faster and wake up less frequently during the night. Oh my gosh. Guys, I need this. I need this so bad. Chaos Jenn's tired like 99% of the time. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to start this, guys. I've never really tried to establish a bedtime routine before. I never felt like I was ever at a point in my life where I could. But you know what? I'm making this happen. And I am so glad I have you guys to join me on this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I know I keep saying that, but I am so excited. Are you guys excited too? And what are you looking forward to the most this week? We might have to extend this one just a little bit. But I've said that about every challenge that we've done because they're so darn interesting. But anyways, all right. I have rambled and gotten excited about small things and gone down several rabbit holes or had several squirrel moments. So it is time for me to let you go. If you guys haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. If you are not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you. I am going to link my 800 subscriber giveaway down below. It ends at midnight tonight. So if you have not entered, please get over there and do that. I would hate for you guys to miss out. And then tomorrow, we are going to be starting my 850 subscriber giveaway. It's not going to be as big as the 800, but it is going to be another $25 gift card and a few products instead of a ton. So, yeah, looking forward to sharing that with you guys. And the winner for the 800 subscriber giveaway will be announced tomorrow as well. We have a big day tomorrow. Wow, okay, all right. So, anyways, like I said, I was going to let you go. My point with that was, please hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I would love the chance to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, start thinking about what time you would like to be in bed every night. And we'll also keep on smiling. Bye, guys.